How has this questionable alliance damaged the national economy and produced a high consumption, low productivity economy is succinctly explained by him, an economist of Pakistani origin in a recent commentary on the current economic situation in Pakistan, full stop. His comment comes in the wake of the arrest and court martial of the country's former spy chief, on charges of intimidating a developer to extort valuable land, full stop. The developer himself is alleged to have acquired that land for a housing society fraudulently, full stop. Can entrenched nexus between power and plot be joined, question mark? Or the more pertinent question is, will those who have prospered because of this connection allow anyone to dismantle this nexus, question mark? New paragraph. The PTI's position is that it does not see the PMLN or its allies in the coalition government as legitimate counterparties because it believes that they won through a rigged election, full stop. Instead, the PTI only wishes to speak to the security establishment, which paradoxically, it also repeatedly condemns as the main force behind its ongoing victimization, full stop. But if he is willing to let bygones be bygones when it comes to the armed forces, why can it not extend the same courtesy to its rival parties, which for all their flaws, represent the people of Pakistan, question mark? For this, it has no reasonable answer, question mark. Meanwhile, its allies continue to dig deeper into the hole, full stop. The academic claimed that the cancelled degree belonged to Islamabad High Court judge, full stop. New paragraph. Once seen as the protectors of Pakistan's democratic order, they have lately defaulted to using scorched earth tactics in their desperation to keep me out of power, full stop. Normally, such matters would not elicit much public interest, but when the degree in question reportedly belongs to a High Court judge and the state apparatus was used to prevent a critical syndicate member from attending the meeting, things get a little murky, full stop. Syndicate member and teacher Dr. Riaz was reportedly picked up and taken to different police stations in order to prevent him from attending this crucial meeting, full stop. The judge is among those members of the bench that have complained of interference in their work by intelligence agencies, full stop.